Banana nut bread makes a great appetizer, snack, or dessert. In a large bowl, beat together 2 eggs, 1 cube of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 1 cup of sugar. Sift together into that mixture 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of Hain Featherweight baking powder, no sodium, 2 teaspoons ENERG baking soda substitute, no sodium, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Just sift it in there together, stir it in here. The next thing to go in is 3 ripe bananas that have been smashed. Our bread is baked in a 5 by 9 inch loaf pan, sprayed with nonstick. I like Baker's Joy because it's got a little flour in it. As you stir this, you'll be able to still see some of the flour mixture. In goes the bananas. Stir them in. Last thing to go in is half a cup of chopped nuts. I'm using walnuts today. When I buy the chopped nuts, I like to use my rolling pin and make them just a little bit smaller. But you don't have to. You can use pecans or walnuts, whatever you like. But check the label, because sometimes they have sodium in them. These don't. Banana nut bread is really kind of fun to make. Oh, and it's really fun to eat. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday, there'll be a new low-sodium recipe, or just might be a tip on how you can keep that sodium low every day. Sometimes there's a recipe and a tip. Banana bread is going to go in my loaf pan. I'm going to bake it in the middle of the oven. 1 hour and 5 minutes at 325 degrees. Our bread is done. It's got that nice little crack down the center that banana bread is supposed to have. Cooled it on a wire rack before I put it on this little plate. The whole pan has got 154 milligrams of sodium. My slices are close to 3/4 of an inch, so I get 12 good-sized slices out of a loaf. Each slice is 12.84 milligrams of sodium. Then I cut them in half because some people just want to put unsalted butter on 1/2, and then they want to put a little bit of honey on the other side. When the slices are cut in half, they're 6.42 milligrams each. If I cut them all exact, and they're not going to be exact, but we're pretty close. But I think it makes the dish look prettier when you cut them in half. Banana nut bread freezes very well. We'll eat part of this, and then I'll wrap the rest of it tight in plastic wrap, put it in my freezer. When we need a quick little dessert or snack, we'll just thaw it out and enjoy it very much.